Welcome to the Soul on Ice Foundation. Come check us out.
Soul on ice. I'ma put my soul on ice. Nice.
I created the Soul on Ice Foundation because I wanted to help level up kids on the ice and off the ice. You know, the program, once a week, the kids come down, they get on the ice, they learn from professionals how to become better hockey players. But it's more than just being a better hockey player, it's being a better person off the ice. So that's why I partner with Crime Stoppers, Bowery, and Bolo so that I can help these kids become better people off the ice as well as on the ice.
Let's go, Fedor. Hard turn. Push.
A few years ago, we helped Toronto Crime Stoppers kind of revitalize a playground where a shooting had occurred, a much needed happy day for this community. And this is just a logical continuation of us sending the message that yes, we're doing this Bolo program thing and we're gonna keep doing it, but we're doing it for the safety of our communities, the safety of your community. So when we had that initial discussion about the Soul on Ice Foundation, it just sounded perfectly logical to try to do something at least. We can't do everything, but it seemed like a very, very good idea.
My name's Mark, I'm from Toronto Crime Stoppers. We are proud to sponsor this training program, and we're so glad that you guys are here. This is my friend Max, he's also one of the sponsors here.
But
yeah, go ahead, Max.
You know, like when you were young and played hockey, didn't you have a jersey?
You gotta have a jersey, don't you?
With your name on the back?
Yeah, you gotta have a jersey.
I had that.
You guys got jerseys with names on the back? No. Nothing in it? No. Can we get some jerseys in here?
Yeah!
What is it? Who's Mason?
Who's Mason?
You're Mason?
Yeah!
The only way that we're going to change the negative narrative and build community safety in our neighborhoods is if we do it collaboratively with all stakeholders at the table. It's important to reach the kids at an early age with information. One, they're a sponge. They listen, they learn, they understand, but also giving the parents the ability to have information that they can then relate to their kids that we're able to provide and say, hey, I didn't know that, or oh, that's how I should kind of frame that conversation to my child, I think is gonna help.
So does anybody know the difference when you report information to the police versus going through Crime Stoppers? Yeah.
Anonymous?
Right, so going through Crime Stoppers is completely anonymous.
The importance of it is developing the relationships in the community, and especially tying in sports. As we know, sports is worldwide and it's a great way of communicating without even saying a word. Building these relationships truly changes the way the community operates. They're helping the police more, we're developing relationships with the community from a policing aspect, in some cases building new bridges and getting the voices heard. And Crime Stoppers is one of those platforms where it's completely anonymous.
Bauer and Crime Stoppers are a great combination for one reason: safety. Bauer has some of the best equipment to help keep our kids safe on the ice, and Crime Stoppers is a great tool to help keep our community safe.
My name's Ryan Schmaltz. I'm the first shift coordinator and brand initiative specialist with Bauer Hockey, and it's been an absolute pleasure and privilege to work with Kwame and the Soul on Ice Foundation. Safety's huge in hockey nowadays, especially with how much the equipment has developed over the years. So it's something that we want to keep teaching the parents, because a lot of parents don't really know a lot of the safety aspects of every piece of gear. I think the Soul on Ice program is fantastic. It's been awesome meeting the kids. We've got them all their Bauer gear, so we teach the parents the safety procedures and protocols of each piece of hockey equipment, which is obviously important in the game today. And their kids are obviously going to grow, so teaching them importance of how the equipment should fit and a proper fit, as well as, most importantly, you want it to be a safe fit. So conversing with them and just giving them some product knowledge was awesome. And seeing the kids on the ice at the end of the night was pretty cool.
On behalf of the Soul on Ice Foundation, I want to thank all of our sponsors. You are truly making a difference.